How to fix MetaTrader 5 not working properly. So if you want to fix MetaTrader 5 not working properly, then what you need to do is first you need to check your internet connection of your MetaTrader or of your device. Once you check your internet connection, then your problem may be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, you just need to simply tap on your Play Store or your App Store and go with search. Now under search, you need to search for MetaTrader and you just need to simply tap and open the application, and you need to go with update if you have any updates under your application. And once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But even if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back. Now tap and hold on to that MetaTrader application. Go with the app info and tap on storage and cache. And after that, tap on clear cache and also clear storage. Once you've done that, you can simply again go and log into your wallet and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then go with force stop, which is right here on the right side. And once you force stop the application, your problem will be fixed. You need to restart and that's it. That's how you can fix your MetaTrader 5 not working properly. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.